Hello there! Is your little one starting to learn addition? Are your kids finding subtraction difficult? Here's the good news! KidLo Addition and Subtraction can help them out. This learning program is perfect for kids from ages
da